Hey there, fellow food lovers! Today, I'm going to share my absolute favorite cheeseburger recipe that'll make your taste buds dance. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never look at fast food burgers the same way again. Let's start with the star of the show, the patty. You'll want to get some good quality ground beef, about 80-20 lean to fat ratio. This is crucial, because that fat content gives us the juiciness we're looking for. For each burger, grab about 1/3 pound of meat and gently form it into a patty. Here's a pro tip. Make a small dimple in the center with your thumb. This prevents the burger from puffing up like a baseball while cooking. Now, the seasoning. Keep it simple. Kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. That's it. Don't mix the seasoning into the meat. Just generously season the outside right before cooking. This helps create that amazing crust we're after. For the perfect cook, get your grill or cast iron skillet smoking hot. We're talking high heat here. Place your burger on and resist the urge to press it down. We want to keep those juices inside. For medium rare, give it about 4 minutes on each side. Here comes the cheese. I recommend a nice sharp cheddar or American cheese. Add it during the last minute of cooking and cover with a lid to help it melt perfectly. While your burger's cooking, let's talk buns. Butter them lightly and toast them until golden brown. This small step makes a huge difference. For toppings, I love the classics: crisp lettuce, ripe tomato slices, thinly sliced red onion, and pickles. And for the sauce, mix some mayo, ketchup, mustard, and a touch of pickle juice. Trust me on this one. When assembling, stack it thoughtfully. Bottom bun, sauce, lettuce. This prevents the bottom bun from getting soggy. Burger with melted cheese, tomato, onion, pickles, more sauce if you like, and finally the top bun. There you have it, the perfect homemade cheeseburger that'll rival any restaurant version. Remember, it's all about quality ingredients and technique. Now get out there and start grilling. Your friends and family will be begging for your secret recipe.